everybody. Welcome to Glam Bam. Thank you, ma'am. I'm here with the gorgeous and talented makeup artist, celebrity makeup artist who does Adele and Leah Michelle, just to name a few, Michael ASHTON.
Hi, guys. Hi, darling.
I'm really excited to get into your brain because you are an innovative artist who has done a lot of amazing work, and it's going to be really fun to see you Glam Bam me. I want to give me something that I don't know, Michael.
Okay, so my top tip, my Glam Bam tip is using an eye primer, but not in the way that most people use it, is using an eye primer underneath the eye area. And especially, I know a lot of people find it problematic when product sort of sits in those fine lines.
So you're telling me you put down, like you do your moisturizer and all that stuff, then you put down an eye primer.
An eye primer that most people would use on the lid before shadow. I use it underneath the eye before I do the concealer or sort of complexion perfection products.
This is epic. And so you're saying also if you have crow's feet and maybe a little wrinkle.
What it does is it helps to just resurface the texture of that area to smooth over those fine lines so that the product sort of gives you that beautiful blurring effect to the skin.
That is genius. I have so many women DM me about that issue that they can't get their concealer to stop sitting in the creases.
Mm-hmm.
So this is epic. And what eye primer do you like?
So the one that I use a lot, this is from Marc Jacobs. It's the Undercover Perfecting Coconut Eye Primer. I like this because it's not too sticky. A lot of eye primers, you know, they do the job of really adhering eyeshadow to them. But for this sort of purpose, they can be a little bit sticky and tacky in the texture. Just pat it into the area where I want to sort of resurface and retexture. It works really well with a bunch of different sorts of concealer formulas. So this is what I love to use on myself, the Laura Mercier Secret Camouflage. I like this because I've got the two color options, so it works really well when I want to cover any darkness in this area. But products like the Charlotte Tilbury Retoucher, the Tom Ford Illuminator, all work really well over top of the primer. Once you put the concealer down, you can just buff out the edges. And then I'll normally use a bigger brush, something like this. This is my personal one, it's old and battered, and then just sort of buff those edges so you get that really flawless finish.
That is some really good advice. You did it. You Glam Bam. Thank you, man. Me. Michael ASHTON, I love you guys. I'm going to put all his information below, so you should follow him because he's a genius. I love you, man.
You too,
Thank you for joining me, and I will see you on the other side.
Exactly.
Bye.
Bye, guys.